Hello everyone, this is a Craig Adams inspired video. I first came across Craig's video in the year of 2020. I really enjoyed his hiking video and I was like, I want to do the same thing. So here I am. This video is in a very similar format. Drone footages at the very beginning, then silent hiking with music, and in the end, the summarization of the trip. Craig went to the Adirondacks in October 2020 and he hiked 17 miles in 2 days. It was the Mt Marcy loop. I went to the Adirondacks and I hiked the Mt Marcy loop, but I hiked 17 miles in a single day. So my hike is tougher than Craig's. So my trail and Craig's trail is different. Our first half is the same though. The part where we are going up to the Mt Marcy peak is the same. But Craig camped at a camp place and the second day he went to Mount Algonquin, which I did not. I went back on the same day through another trail. The trail is super hard. It is very rocky, and what is worse is that at some places it is very muddy. We had to rest a few times on the way up, and when I finally get to the Mount Marcy peak, I was unfortunately surrounded by clouds, so I didn't see anything. When I was planning the Adirondack Mount Marcy trip, I was thinking that this is a once-in-a-lifetime trip. But because I didn't see anything at the top of Mount Marcy, I may come back, but who knows. So during the hike, I was wearing a New Balance trail running shoes. It is very important to wear suitable shoes or you will suffer a lot. Bring enough water, enough food, take care of the weather. The Mount Marcy hike is the hike for very serious hikers. And I bought this shirt at a store in Lake Placid. Lake Placid is a beautiful little town. There is even a Chinese restaurant there. My Adirondack trip was very memorable. And please see my other video where I was kayaking in the upper St. Regis Lake. Okay, thank you for watching.